Namaste everybody. Welcome to Hindustani Tongue. I hope you guys doing well. So it's been a long I haven't made a video, but I assure now the videos will be coming often. Not just for Hindi, we will try to make videos for mostly all the languages that we are teaching in our platform. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to learn about simple present. Very important topic when it comes to speak the basic Hindi. For those who don't know what is a simple present tense, this tense basically, if I simplify that, which tells that something happens habitually. For example, like I go to office, I eat mangoes, Rahul speaks English. Anything that happens often or in a habitual way, that is a simple present tense. In Hindi, that can be a little bit tricky because the sentence structure changes according to the gender of the person. All right, so before we jump into that, I would like you to learn first of all about some verbs. So many of you might already know some Hindi basic verbs, but for those who don't know, let's discuss some basic verbs. So I'm going to write on my screen here like some verbs. Let me tell you something very interesting, that all the verbs in Hindi ends with na. So in English you say to go, to walk, to meet, to speak, to sleep, whatever. In Hindi, all the words will be ending by na at the end. So starting from very basic: jana, आना, बोलना, मिलना, हंसना, खाना, पीना. All right. You can pause the video and repeat, all of the words written in the screen one more time. Okay. Now let's jump into making a sentence. So now let's jump into the video and learn how to make simple present tense. Let me share my screen to the whiteboard and we're going to learn that. Now these are the some sentences for simple present. Now we're going to translate that, of course, learn that how to say this in Hindi. So the very a concept that will help you to learn this like in a very quick way, to remember this. Whenever you are saying a sentence about you or anybody else and the person is masculine, you remember you have to say ta. Where? I'll let you know that. For feminine, you would say ti. And for plural, you would say te. Okay? Now, this thing you have to remember for masculine, feminine, and plural. So for this sentence, as a being a masculine, so I would say I, which is main. Then you have to say the place. So office. To go. What is to go? We learned that, right? Jana. Ja and then na. There you go. Now you do not have to say the verb here, which is jana, but now I'm a masculine, so I would say ta. And every sentence, all the sentence which starts from ma ends with whom. The pronunciation of whom, one more time, it's not hun. No. It's whom. So the n at the end is a nasal sound. So whom. मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ. One more time, repeat with me. मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ. What if you are a girl? Can you say that? Correct. मैं ऑफिस जाती हूँ. Okay, so it will differ whether you are a masculine or feminine. Jata or jati. That's great. Now she speaks Hindi. What's that? She means if she is if she is in a proximity, which is ye, and if there is a distance, then we will say wo. So assume like this person next to me. So ye. Hindi to speak is yes, bolna. Bol na, we will, of course we don't have to say that. Ye Hindi bolti hai. Great. Next one. They means they. When it's plural, ve aam khate hain. So again, the concept of the nasal sound. You drink beer. So you Let's say I'm talking with my friend. So, in the last lesson we learned, if you haven't watched the previous videos, go check that out, where we learned about saying you in a formal way and in a casual way. So I'm saying to my friend, so I'm using casual. Tum, beer, what is to drink? Yep, pina. So, pite ho. Now you might ask me, you is the singular person, why I made it plural? Just like in English, we say you are, we don't say you is, because you itself a plural word. Okay, you can remember in this simplest way. Let me know in the comment section now. Let me know at least 3 sentences in simple present. One more thing, if you want to learn any Indian language, including Hindi, Punjabi, Bengali, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, whatever it is, you can check www.hindustani-tongue.com. We have expert tutors from all around India teaching the native language, and the best part is we are using immersion method to learn the language. So right now I taught you with the grammatical concept, but immersion method, it's going to be even effective because you're going to learn through pictures. So that only possible when you are in a one-on-one live session, so you can interact with the teacher repeats the thing and you listen and repeat and learn subconsciously. It's a really good renowned method, and if you want to learn more about that, book a trial class. Currently they are giving a free trial class, so I'm sure you want to give a check. Alright, if you want to learn Indian languages by these 3 videos, I ask you to subscribe this channel so you do not miss the further videos. It was good. I really enjoyed teaching you Hindi, guys, and I'm sure that I'll be making more videos. See you in the next video. Namaste.